Hi, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Today will be a short and sweet video with some news, or as you want to say, tea, because it has not been confirmed anywhere on Google from ThredUP. But two people have came to me on Instagram and have stated that customer service has told them that the Vernon Hills warehouse in Illinois of ThredUP's distribution center, whatever you want to call it, is closing. Didn't say why. Closing. And so they are putting everyone's items that are at this warehouse as reserved or unavailable on the app or website. So if you have items currently for sale or that just processed, they are going to say that because they are being sent to a different warehouse. That is what has been said. I did see a screenshot to confirm that somebody just didn't make it up. I don't know what to think of this. I Googled Vernon Hills ThredUP closing. I could not find anything. I did see that on glassdoor.com there is an opening for Waukegan, Illinois location for an overnight supervisor, which is about 20 minutes away from Vernon Hills. So I don't know if they are just moving locations. It's just very confusing to me. And is there a correlation between this warehouse closing and Poshmark becoming an IPO company where it's a public company and you can buy its stock, which I don't recommend doing at this time. I bought their stock the second day it opened at about $100 per share, and it's down to like $71. So I'm already in the red. Is this like a foreshadowing? What do you guys think? I have heard so many negative things about ThredUP recently, from damaged items to lost items, and I don't know what's going on. I really don't. And I'm glad I don't have much tied up there. I have a few high-end pieces that I've got a few more weeks on before I can get my items back, and they're not at Vernon Hills. So if your items are there, they said that it will take a couple weeks for them to be available on the website, and that the time that they are not available will not be counted against you in your listing. So for example, if you have 30 days left on an item, the time will freeze, so they say. And then once it's at that warehouse, it will be available and it will start at the 30 days again. But it's like, okay, so you have all these items processed, but you're going to put them in boxes and ship them. The chances of them getting lost or damaged seem quite significant with their record. So I would be a little concerned if you have items at that warehouse. I wanted to share this news with you because, as you know, ThredUP is like the worst at sharing their information. Now I'm kind of going all detective because I'm super curious about it now. And I know a lot of you come to my channel for ThredUP news, or if you're curious as well. So this is what I've done so far. I found out last night, and so I haven't done a whole lot, but I did just simply Google the warehouse closing in Illinois. Didn't find anything. So then I went and read some like reviews of workers, which is usually kind of negative, in that location, and there was a review a few weeks ago. Now, I do want to state that the warehouse in Vernon Hills, Illinois did shut down according to their Facebook group in March of 2020 due to the pandemic. I went to their Facebook page and there has not been any posts, so I don't know what's going on there, but they have not been posting. So there was a thread from when they closed back in March of 2020 about when they're opening, and ThredUP never did respond, which I think is kind of weird that you would have a Facebook page but you're not going to be interactive on it. So I simply commented on that thread, are you closing? Or I asked them what's going on. Haven't received a response. It's been less than a day. So then I went to, there was an email on that Facebook page for their clearance center. I guess you can schedule an appointment to come and buy in bulk or whatever. And so I simply messaged them and asked if they were if the warehouse location was closing, if this is affecting them, if they are closing, which I'm assuming they are. And then the last thing I did, which I'm pretty sure this person will not respond, but I simply went to LinkedIn and this person popped up that's been there for over 4 years working as like one of the sales or like on the floor processing. Hold on, buddy. And just, you know, made a connection and they accepted. Thank you. Hold on. I'm finishing recording. And this person accepted my connection, which is great. So then I messaged this person and asked if they would do like an informal interview and that I was a seller on ThredUP. And, you know, I just like really informal, just had some random questions and I haven't gotten a response. I'm pretty sure that they saw the message because they were active on the app. Unfortunately, they probably won't. I just want to pick somebody's brain that works there on the processing level. I know I don't necessarily want to interview somebody at management level because it's all going to be, you know, BS and what we want to hear. I want to hear somebody that's like in there, you know, doing the work. So let me know in the comments what you have heard. Have you heard anything from customer service? If you have items in Illinois' warehouse, beware. So just wanted to get this out there, wanted to share all this information I have for you. And if I have any updates, I will make a video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I post there pretty much immediately. It does take time for me to sit down and make a video when I have, you know, all my little kids running around. So follow me, Thrifting at my beach. I will post there most likely the quickest. But hope you guys are having a beautiful, thrift delicious day. Bye.